I'm here with Robin from E-junkie. Can you introduce yourself and talk a little bit about E-junkie.com and Buckdrop?
Sure. I basically am lead developer of e-junkie.com. It's an e-commerce website. It provides shopping cart and digital delivery services. And Buckdrop is sort of an offshoot of it. It's our first application for a social network, and it's a free application, of course, unlike E-junkie, and it basically enables users to send money, request money, and sell simple stuff, accept donations on their profile. So essentially, that's what it does. These are the three things it does.
Since this is your first foray kind of into the app space, how is your experience working with OpenSocial?
It's been pretty good actually, because I didn't have to modify. I had already started Buckdrop before OpenSocial launched, and I didn't have to modify much of the code because OpenSocial, it's pretty flexible. So what I'm doing is I'm basically using JavaScript on demand. So I just took my existing application, kind of built a shell around it, so it renders the JavaScript on our server, and then just OpenSocial kind of sucks it up, and it's so I have total control over what I want to display in the app or what I want to do.
Great. Can we see a demo of your application?
Sure, yeah. So basically, this is Buckdrop. I've already installed it in my profile, and this is the canvas view. So as you can see, these are the more three important features: request money, send money, and create pay me now links. If you go to request money, basically you see all your existing friends from Orkut in the dropdown, and if they have installed the app, you'll get their email and everything. But if they don't have their email public, you can just enter an email for them, and the application lets you request money using PayPal and Google Checkout. You can use either or both. So I've entered my Google Checkout merchant ID, PayPal email, and all I need to do is fill an amount, and basically just enter subject what this money is for, and my money request has been sent. So this is what a money request will look like. It kind of shows on the top like the request that has been sent. So this is what my friend will see. He'll see my name, he'll see the amount. Since when I sent the request, I made it editable, so he can, say if he's kind of straight pockets, and if he just wants to pay me less, so he can enter that amount, and so that's it basically, so it makes it easier for people to send and receive money. Okay. And as for sending money, if I just need to send money, I'll need my friend's PayPal email and Google Merchant ID, and if again they don't have it, I can enter it for them. So, and if I don't have their Google Merchant ID, I can just use PayPal email as well. That's not an issue. So say I can say. So that's like it, so I just need to log in with my PayPal account, and it will send me to Ignacio. Okay, so basically the feature I like most is create pay me now links. It basically lets you create simple links, which will be visible to your friends when they visit your profile. So I just say I'm creating a simple link, which if they like coming to my profile, they might as well buy me a coffee. And so basically this will create a link on my profile, and when my friends visit my profile, they'll be able to see these links. So now I'm logged in as my friend, and if I go to Robin's profile, I will see the pay me now link Robin has created. So this is Robin's profile and the Buckdrop app. So you see it says at the end, buy me latte, and I can just click and buy him a latte. That's basically it. So it's the first time when you've installed the app, so you don't know exactly what you want to do. So you just to get a feel of the app, you can see what your friends are raising money for using this application. So if you click that, you can see that my friend Chandragupta, he has entered, just a link, my first one. So I can essentially see what my other friends are doing with this app. It's kind of to encourage me and to kind of give me idea of what I can do with it.
Yeah, that's great. Very cool. Can you tell us, or is there anything else you want to tell us about about Buckdrop, E-junkie, or working with OpenSocial?
I mean, it's definitely been a good experience working with OpenSocial, and as more features come, this app will evolve too. And I've some plans for it. Like basically, right now, when you get a money request, you have to pay it and then delete it manually. But eventually, it has to be all automatic. So. So the app basically needs to receive notifications from Google Checkout and PayPal and remove the links when when the amount is paid, and yeah, that's basically it.